and welcome to week 2 of our summer session. This week we're going to focus on camping activities. Okay, and we're going to do a fun little twist on an activity that we've done many times throughout the year. We're going to do glow bowling. And with our glow bowling, I have glow sticks that I found at the dollar store added into water bottles. I picked 2 different colors. This one's just showing you our green one. We also have a red one out in the garage. And we can use any ball that you have in the house or empty water bottles with just a glow stick and rolled up socks if you would also like to knock down the water bottles. We're going to do this out in my garage for demonstration because it's a little darker and my kids want to help. But you can do this in any room of your house, shut the lights off, or if you want to, maybe after dinner sometime if it's dark enough, head outside and do our glow bowling as well. So let's go see what it looks like. All right, so I have my chalk line down here on the ground, so it shows where we are going to start. And down at this end, we have our water bottles with our glow sticks set up inside of them. Again, you have 2 turns to roll, hang on Emerson, to roll the ball. And I want you to make sure that you are bending down and rolling down on the ground between your legs. All right, we're aiming for all the water bottles. If you get a strike, that's awesome. If you miss some the first time, guess what? You get a second try. All right, Emerson, we're gonna shut our lights off. Hang on, sweetie. All right, and she's gonna roll that ball down towards the water bottles. Go ahead, Emerson. Oh, we got one down. Let's try again. Ready? Set them back up if you would like. We're going to give Sloan a quick turn now too. All right, Sloan, let's use this bottle. Oh, you want an example? All right, go ahead. You got some down. Nice job, Sloan. All right, and yep. Go ahead, take another turn. Rolling between the legs. Good job, Sloan. So close. All right, and we have one more helper that would like to take a turn. Kellen, come on over. All right, roll that ball down between your legs, down towards the ground. Oh, all but one. You almost got a strike. Let's see if we can get that last bottle down. Ready? Oh, so close. That's what we have for you guys for camping week. We had some fun glow bowling. We hope you had a great time with it. Enjoy it. Again, you can get glow sticks at the dollar store. You can even use glow bracelets. I know sometimes we have them left over from different holidays. And if that's not something that you have access to, you can add some food coloring to the water as well and do a rainbow bowling, something to change it up a little bit. Have fun, play with mom and dad, a brother or sister, some friends. Make it fun and challenging. You can play it at night. You can play it in a dark room, wherever you think is the best, and mom and dad will allow you to play it. Have fun with it. We hope you enjoy camping week, and we will see you soon. Bye.